After thorough examination of record, listening to the parties, it was pragmatic that the amount of work done by contractor and bills prepared by the engineering branch of TMA Khanpur were similar. First up, the quality of the work done by the appellant contractor was satisfactory, and he has already received punishment of almost 2 years. Therefore, the request of the appellant deserves leniency. First up, keeping in view the above, I, Muhammad Aslam, Secretary, LGNCD Department, do hereby reduce the period of punishment blacklisting of the appellant's firm from 3 years to 2 years. First up, Mr. Tahreem Khan, contractor of slaughterhouse TMA Sher Shah Town, made a complaint stating that TMA leased out the collection of right of slaughterhouse fee against a sum of rupees 72 million for the current financial year, whereas it was auctioned against a sum of rupees 40 million during the year 2014-15. First up, there is a monopoly of veterinary doctor as well as the sanitary staff. No butcher was very low as illegal slaughtering is being carried out. First up, meanwhile the government imposed ban on the slaughtering of female animals, so he suffered loss. He made a request for reconciliation of the account, which has not been made by the TMA. First up, his contract was cancelled and TMA is adamant to lease out the same for the remaining period, and reserved price has been fixed as 36 million, which is also against the rules instructions. First up, he is still ready to run the contract and made a request to change the reserve price and fixed the same as per law rules. First up, as per report of TMA Sher Shah Town, TMA auctioned the collection right of slaughterhouse fee against a sum of rupees 72 million in favor of the applicant, and agreement was executed. First up.